to pray to Allah so kind. Next I wash my hands, 1, 2, 3, splashing water happily. Rinse my mouth, swish around, let the water make that sound. Water make that sound. Now my nose, I clean with care. Sniff it in, then out with air. Wash my face so fresh and bright, from forehead down, left and right. Right arm first, elbow to hand, then the left, just like we planned. Right my head just once, not more, back and forth like before. Right my ears, inside out, that's what wudu's all about. Feet come last, right then left, heels and toes must not be left. Now I'm ready, fresh and new, time to pray, that's wudu.